In this video, I'm going to show you how to change from a 12-hour clock to a 24-hour clock or a 24-hour clock to a 12-hour clock in your Windows 11 computer. So to do this, you first need to head over to your Start menu and just search for Control Panel and then click on this Control Panel tab. Now from here, make sure you have View By set to Category, and then we need to select Clock and Region. Underneath Region, click on the Change Date, Time, or Number formats, and then this is going to pop up with this window here. Now the two options that you need to change your clock is the short time and the long time. Now the two options that you need to alter to change the format of your clock is this short time and also this long time. So you can see at the moment I have mine set to a 12-hour clock, and if we want to change this to a 24-hour clock, all you need to do is click on the drop down next to short time, and we're going to change this to capital HH and lowercase mm. And you can see we have the preview down here of what this looks like. And for the long time, we're going to change this to capital HH again and lowercase mm. And once again, you can see the preview at the bottom down here. And then you can simply press apply and OK. Now this may take a few seconds to update on your clock at the bottom down here. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.